Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Draviguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Bhanga or Cannabis Sativa. Content of the lecture are: in general introduction, we will learn Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Bhanga or Vijaya in the ancient medicinal herb, also known as ganja, marijuana, Indian hemp. Bhanga was used an intoxicant in India around 100,000 BC. This is beneficial to control anxiety. In ancient time, this plant was cultivated as a source of fiber, food, and medicine. Now, cultivation of this plant is controlled and grown in some areas only. Bhanga is an annual herb with erect stem, grows up to 3 to 10 feet or more than this, and slightly branched with grayish-green hair. Leaves present alternatively smooth, dark green, 3 to 11 in number, long up to 10 centimeter and wide up to 1.5 centimeter. Flowers are small and unisexual kind. Female flower has 5 end leaf and circled ovary in a sheath. These are single, glandular and hairy. Male flower having 5 segments, almost present separately, downy with pale yellow color. Fruit is small and completely full of seeds. It is of brownish gray color. This is the view of Bhanga plant. Hindi name is Bhang, Charas, Ganja, Bohar. English name is Indian hemp. Latin name is Cannabis Sativa and family is Cannabiaceae. Ayurvedic properties of Bhanga is Ras is thick, Gun is Laghu, Tikshna, Vyavai, Virya is Ushna, Vipak is Katu. Effect on doshas are it is Vat Kaf Shamak. Parts to be used is leaves, seeds, resins. Resin is charas and flowers is ganja. Dosage of this plant is Bhanga leaf powder is 125 to 250 mg, ganja not more than 50 to 125 mg, and charas is 30 mg. Chemical composition of Bhanga is enriched with plenty of phytochemicals. This contains more than 60 cannabinoids, terpenes with about 140 members. This plant mainly consists of cannabin, cannabinon, cannabinol, cannabidiolic acid. These are found in roots of the plant. Essential oil of plant parts contains terpenes. Therapeutic indication of Bhanga is this plant has anti-inflammatory, sedative, anodyne, narcotic, neuralgic, anti-rheumatism, digestive, astringent, antispasmodic, aphrodisiac, and diuretic properties. It is helpful in treating nervous disorders, gout, infantile convulsions, insomnia, gonorrhea, urinary infections, chronic cystitis, and more. It is also known to give relief from strong pain, swelling, wounds, and dandruff. Uses of Bhanga is it is used in nervous exhaustion, periodical headaches, migraine, nervous system, vomiting, delirium, neuralgia, and convulsions. Useful in case of diarrhea, piles, and dysentery, inflammation, and hemorrhoid, eye disorders like in photophobia. It is used as a remedy for malaria, black water fever, and poisoning. Leaves in insomnia, tumors, itching problem, skin diseases, wounds, and sores. It is known to have aphrodisiac properties. Point to be remembered when using or prescribing Bhanga or what precaution one should have. It is unsafe during pregnancy and lactation. It should not be taken in the case of high blood pressure. It should not be taken for a long time and in high doses as it causes depression, anxiety, decreased immunity and testosterone level, sperm quality and number. This is used most of the Uttarakhand region in Indian cuisines. Thanks to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.